Have you ever watched a home renovation show and thought, I could do that? Flipping homes in California is a popular way to build wealth, and with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. But before you dive in, it's important to understand the steps that set successful flippers apart from the rest. So, what exactly is house flipping? It's the process of buying a property, usually one that needs some work, renovating it, and then selling it for a profit. California's high property values mean the profit potential is significant. In fact, flippers in cities like San Jose have seen average returns of over $275,000. But with high demand and competitive markets, careful planning is key. Let's break down the steps to get started. First, select your market. Research areas with strong job growth, rising home values, and increasing demand. Cities like Riverside, San Bernardino, Ontario, Corona, and Chula Vista are all promising spots for new and experienced flippers. Look for neighborhoods where homes are appreciating and buyers are actively searching. Next, arrange your financing. You'll need to decide between traditional loans, hard money loans, or even private money from investors. Each option has pros and cons, so consider your budget and timeline. Some investors also start with property wholesaling, where you assign contracts to other buyers instead of renovating yourself. Once your finances are in order, it's time to find the right property. Search MLS listings for undervalued homes, send direct mail offers to motivated sellers, or check out local bank auctions for foreclosed properties. Remember, the deal you make when you buy is just as important as the renovations you plan. Before making an offer, apply the 70% rule. Never pay more than 70% of the home's after-repair value minus renovation costs. This helps ensure your flip stays profitable. Always conduct a thorough home inspection before closing. Uncovering hidden issues early can save you thousands and prevent unexpected headaches down the line. After renovations are complete, you'll want to sell quickly to maximize your returns. Instead of paying a hefty real estate commission, consider using a flat-fee MLS service like listlean.com. For as little as $95, you can list your home on the MLS and reach thousands of buyers on sites like Zillow and Redfin, saving you up to 3% in commissions. Ready to start your house flipping journey in California? Visit listlean.com for more tips, resources, and to take the first step toward your own successful flip.